Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to analyze another crypto which is DOT, Polkadot DOT, which is a hub of Parachain. I mean, like, it is the most known entity for Parachain. Okay, so let's get into the video. So here we have DOT USDT daily chart, where you can see it was respecting a support from very long time. See how it worked. It bounced from here, again bounced from here, bounced multiple times, and fourth time it break. Again it retested it 2 to 3 times and then went lower. So after that it started its new rally and it made a good support here again. Okay, with the SPF, swing pattern failure, and made a triangle here which it didn't complete it fully. And I won't say it's triangle. I was expecting that it will make a triangle and come here at the lower end again, but it didn't come, and it retested the highs and pumped further, giving a bullish continuation. And right now it is at resistance. It is at this previous ATH resistance. Now what I am expecting, uh, this is the region, and again it is going to break for sure. It is going to break, and the target would be the target for DOT. If we look at this kind of a cup and handle or something, and the target would be, first target is $77 according to this formation. You can call it a cup and handle. Okay, as I have shared with you earlier, the midterm and long term idea for DOT on my Twitter handle. So this is the link. You can join our Telegram channel for sure, because you will get the detailed ideas there. So this is a tweet which I tweeted on. Wait, when did I tweet? On 3rd of August. Me and my premium members and even the free channel members, we have bought DOT at $14 to $18 range. That was our first buying, and this I've mentioned it that it is a good buying range, and this was the midterm swing setup. Okay, so the targets are achieved for the midterm swing setup, and those who have bought DOT at $15 to $17, congratulations, you are in good profit. And after that I've also posted the wait I've also posted the why this tweet is unavailable. And I've also posted that these are the 5 waves and followed by 3 correction waves and making a new higher high. It indicates that it has invalidated the bearish structure and moving into a new trend. So this is the possibility of making a new bullish rally for DOT. And I have posted the long term idea also. Okay, let me tell you on the chart here. I don't know why it is not showing on Twitter. Okay, so this is the chart. If we take the Fibonacci from bottom to top, $130 is the target, like according to the Fibonacci. 1618 will surely get achieved if we start the alt cycle, like the remaining depending bull market cycle for alts in the last quarter. So, and if we again draw the Fib extension, counting it as a 1 2 3 4 5 wave, like this is a 1 2 3 4 5 wave. Okay, so listen, don't assume that it is going to go that much higher. This is just for the representation. Okay, so after the third wave is always impulsive, and the target, see how it is beautifully coinciding these two levels, 1:1 and 1618. So I think the target would be like $120 to $130 would be the first target for the long term swing, like for the end of the or for like for the end of this December month. And if it's start pumping more, then the target would be around $300 to $400. $300 to $400, that would be, I think that would be the last target which I am expecting on DOT, because it all depends on the hype. If the hype gets created for the parachain in the last quarter, in the last month of December, then DOT can easily give you 5 to 7x return. What we can see is it can go into a parabolic move, and after that a blow off top here and move downside, breaking the confidence of bulls in the market, and it will keep going down, and with maybe it would accumulate here and start a new rally. We don't know, like we will get to know after the end of this quarter. So these are the targets for the USDT pair. And if we look at the BTC pair, oh my god, that level is so well respected. I drew this like long time ago. Just look at this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and again it is rejecting. And if it breaks this time, okay, we need to break this high. If it breaks this high, then DOT on the USDT side, it will break these highs. So then you can see a price discovery mode which can give you 5 to 7x return, in my opinion. And if we look at the market cap, I know that you're going to say the market cap for DOT is already in top 10, okay, but in the last quarter, like as we are expecting, like the market cap or the whole crypto market cap can go to $3 to $5 trillion. And if the market cap gets 5 times, and if the hype gets created for the parachain projects like KSM, Kusama, and DOT, Polkadot, we can see 5x to 7x return. Why not? Because the whole market will flood into these projects, okay, and DOT is a really good project. Fine. And we have accumulated DOT many times at $17 and $23 and even $31. We have kept on averaging. It holds like 10 to 12% of our portfolio in premium membership. So that's it for today. This was the swing setup for the DOT on the high time frame, which I am expecting for this bull run. And stay tuned for the videos. I'm coming with a lot of videos with, I will what I'm trying to do is I will cover each and every altcoin present on Binance. Okay, so stay tuned for the videos. Press the bell icon, click the like button, share your views in the comments that do you agree with me or not, and keep up the engagement. Thank you for watching.
Sink into the abyss of a new dark age, made more sinister and perhaps more protracted by the lights of perverted sorrow.